Hello my students, here we are again. And today we're going to review Grade 8, Access Book, Unit 7. There will be two main topics, nature, which we all love, and holidays, which we all adore. So, let's start with nature. In nature we can find water. There's water in lakes. I would like you to tell me the name of a lake in the UAE. As well as we can find water in the oceans, in the sea, and rivers. We studied about the longest river in the world, the Nile. And we studied about coral reef and fish. So, to take care of coral reef and fish, we must protect them. Do you remember? Protect them, keep them safe. How do we protect them? Less rubbish in the sea, less waste. So we have to work on more eco-friendly or environmentally friendly hotels, because nature attracts and the sea attracts fishing and tourism. Some of the activities you can enjoy in the sea is scuba diving. You have to be careful not to step on the coral reef. Now we're going to talk about plants, flowers, trees. Where can we find them in nature? We can find them in gardens, in botanic gardens. Do you remember we read about the botanic garden in Sharjah? I would like you to tell me, what can we see there? A forest, a famous forest, is the Amazon, the lungs of the world. It's in South America. In nature, we find as well animals. We all love animals. We can find reptiles, like crocodiles, in the Nile River, do you remember? As well as hippos and turtles live in the Nile. Do you remember that the Nile flows through Africa? Yes? Into the Mediterranean Sea. Holidays. Best holidays ever. When we plan a holiday, we think where we're going to sleep. We have plenty of options. Camping, we can camp in the forest, we can camp at the beach, mountains. Eco-friendly hotels, environmentally friendly hotels, which we like because they take care of nature that we need to protect. Youth hostels, where you can meet other travelers, sit with them, talk about your experience traveling. There is always the option of 5-star hotels in big cities. Can you tell me the name of different hotels? As well as we can visit a city. We can go to museums, we can take public transport and enjoy the sightseeing of a city. In this unit, we are going to visit Venice. Please write below this video, what's the main transport in Venice? Because it's different than other cities in the world. It's unique. So please go to your book, to Unit 7, and check it. Thank you. Dear students, please watch more than once videos of Review Unit 5, Languages, Review Unit 6, Festivals and Celebrations, and this one, Review Unit 7, Nature and Holidays. This will help you to be prepared and ready to get the highest score possible in your speaking exam.